looking at a 1986 Buick Grand National. 86, 87 are the two most desirable years, and talking to the general Buick GN enthusiast, they'll take the 87 over the 86. It's got proper factory issue style Goodyear Eagle GTs. They look absolutely phenomenal. A good possibility that they're reproductions, because that tire is being reproduced, but they are purchased at an insane price. But for show purposes, they are the way to go. This is a really nice car. This car's got fantastic paint on it. And of all my walking around, this is the only 57 Chevy that I've seen so far. This one sits on a Roadster chassis. Let's take a peek under the hood. It's a 383 stroker motor, Edelbrock RPM air gap intake, fuel injected. It's got air conditioning, nice serpentine belt system. Get your air conditioning. It's got to be an automatic because I see an automatic transmission cooler here, and I'm reading this, and it's got a 700 R4 overdrive. Guy's going to pull the power plant out of this, including and the transmission, and the plans are to put, I believe, an LT5, bump the horsepower on the LT5 and put a 6-speed. More horsepower, more gears equals more fun. Got very nice leather interior, and the TMI on the seats here does not stand for too much information. Very nice dash. Rear seats match the front. Looks like maybe it's got suede inserts. Let's see how much of a tire this thing has in the back with a Roadster shop chassis. This car's got to be an absolute blast to drive, and I really can't blame them for wanting to step up the horsepower. I run with the theory that you almost never have too much horsepower. Again, more horsepower, more gears equals more fun. There's Deborah's Mustang. Her nitrous Mustang on her Shelby GT. ...2008 model year. Don't know if I want to run up to Deborah on the street and get blown away by a nitrous Mustang, but it could happen. Nice Trans Am convertible, 25th anniversary, 1969 Camaro in Hugger Orange over here. Check out this custom Pontiac. Trunk's all done. The interior's got to be all done as well. Let's see if we get a look from here. Full-on custom. Two-tone leather interior. Wonder what's under here. Retains a 1967 grille. A lot of hours into this build. maybe a more modern GTO transplant engine under the hood. And let's take a look. I'm seeing a ZR1 emblem in the grille of this car. Hidden headlights. So it's Camaro RS style. It might say, can't see from here, running around without my glasses again, LS3. I don't think it says LS5, but I gotta find out. Oh, LS9. Now I know why it says ZR1. That should have made sense to me. LS9 was Corvette ZR1 power starting in 2009 and ran for that 6th generation up until 2013. So that's it for this section. Off to find something else.